On this opportunity to accumulate health, we're discussing how to get rid of migraines naturally. Remember, this and other videos are educational. That is their purpose, and they're not meant to specifically treat your condition. But I hope they're really helpful for you. So I got 7 things today related to these migraines. So one is consider eating a near 100% digestible food routine. This would look like eating beef, turkey, fish, chicken, fruit, squash, zucchini, olives, avocados, cucumbers, basically foods that are super easy to digest, that the body already has all the faculties to break down, to assimilate, which of course supports improved hormone balance, improved detoxification, which are a big deal when it comes to migraines and promoting migraines. So number 2 is you gotta hydrate. Exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point. Specifically, make sure you're getting purified water. This means a third to about half your body weight in ounces of water per day, and eliminating the dehydrating agents like your ultra processed foods, your sugary concentrates, your artificial sweetener drinks. Those are not hydrating; those are dehydrating. We got load up on purified water. Number 3, we got to utilize agents and breathing routines that basically support a parasympathetic dominant state. Migraines aren't showing up in a parasympathetic dominant state. They're showing up in a fight or flight response to your body. Migraines are stressful. They interrupt life. We want to do things that are de-stressing. So the more intense life situation, the more challenges people face, the more chance migraines are going to show up. So we want to promote a margin, as much margin as possible, which means consistent sleep patterns, means consistent eating patterns, means using adaptogenic herbs or teas to promote a sense of calm, and using breathing exercises like I mentioned to ensure, one, that we're nasal breathing while we're asleep before anything else. You've got to nasal breathe. If you're not nasal breathing, you are promoting a fight or flight response. We've got to nasal breathe. And you can check out on previous videos that I can link below where I discuss specific breathing techniques and a bunch of different herbal adaptogens that you could try out. Then we're talking about work your posture, get it right. If you're carrying a bunch of weight in your abdomen, your chest area, we got to get it off. We got to find a routine that allows you to cleanse it from your being. And if you're at a desk all day, you're looking at your phone regularly, everything's gonna be forward. Tension's gonna be building, in the neck and everything, with your shoulders. And that forward rolled shoulder posture, the forward chin, increases head and neck muscle tension. That can create migraines. That literally probably started out as tension headaches. So next on the list is check your home for mold issues. This is becoming such a huge deal. This is not just a fad. I wish it was a fad, but it is real. And I see it all the time. Once the mold is cleared, once the mycotoxins are cleared and the person's, clearing them from their being, all of a sudden migraine relief shows up. So look at your home. Next is look at your hormone balance, especially the estrogen to progesterone, even the estrone to estradiol ratios. Maybe it is utilizing these hormones, like you got to use bioidentical hormone therapy or something like that, or maybe it's supporting better metabolism of these hormones that could get you out of the migraine state. The ideal pathway for hormones to go down will promote health, vitality, and vigor. But if hormones are going down the irritant one because of liver issues, bowel issues, you're going to get an irritated body. Hormone fluctuations are such a common link for women and migraines. And often women, are given artificial hormones in the form of birth control for migraines, but this is not clearing the underlying problem. And potentially it's setting them up, that individual, for even greater health challenges down the road. Because remember, a migraine is literally a signal of imbalance. It's a signal of toxic insult on the body. Rather than, just suppressing it, what about looking to create balance and to remove or clear, insults or toxic that may be building up? So also, we want to consider iron levels, B12, folate, the omega-3 to omega-6 ratio. We want to consider vitamin D levels, red blood cell magnesium levels. These are super easy tests you can get from your practitioner. Also, this is not as easily tested via blood But if you're doing all the lifestyle stuff, consider looking into vitamin B2 or riboflavin. Also consider butterbur extract, which is an herb, or coenzyme Q10, strong antioxidant, and melatonin therapy. All those have research backing their benefits for migraine sufferers. Like I said earlier, remember, the migraine is your body screaming for help. Turning off the signal without helping the underlying or solving the underlying duress, the process that's promoting the migraine, promoting the dysfunction, is not a recipe for long-term health. We got to turn that baby off. We can't just cover it up. The thing is, lifestyle can and does cure migraines. And these little things I'm talking about, we got to get this foundation strong. So the way we get health accumulating opportunity into the hands of more and more people is with you sharing this content with your friends, with your family. And if you're able to do that, man, thank you so much. And if you want more information related to migraines, overcoming migraines, B12, other B vitamin support related migraines, check out the links below. I made quite a few different videos related to all these. All right, I'm Dr. Matt. Hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I'll see you guys next time.